Besides looking really cool, bias lighting has some health benefits that might surprise you. Stay tuned while I break it all down. What's going on, guys? It is I, Larry the Tech Guy, coming at you guys with another video. I'm the owner of a tech installation business called TechWorks TV Mounting, and in my business, I interact with a lot of different people on a daily basis. And one thing that I found out about my customers is that they love bias lighting. Bias lighting is something I use almost every single day in my business, but what is it exactly? All right, so to put it simply, bias lighting is any light source that you put behind your viewing surface. I know what you're wondering, why bias lights though? Good question. So picture this. You're binge watching one of your favorite shows, you got the lights turned off, you're enjoying a big bowl of popcorn, you're all cozy, and the show starts getting really good and you're super focused. Then all of a sudden your eyes start to feel all dry and itchy, or this headache seems to come out of nowhere and it's distracting you from your awesome show. So eventually you just get frustrated and call it a night and go to bed. The science behind it is pretty simple. Our retinas are caught in between this constant battle of trying to receive as much light as possible because we're in a dark room, and to not receive as much light because we're trying to make out that bright image that we're watching on our TV screen. Why not just turn on your room lights? Well, most room lights are placed in the worst areas for viewing TVs, and they also cast the worst glare known to mankind as soon as you cut them on, and they force you to sit at this uncomfortable angle just to be able to view your TV screen. Here's where bias lighting comes in handy. The lights are placed behind your viewing surface to alleviate that constant contrast in between light and dark that your eyes are fighting with, and it helps keep away headaches, dry eyes, and you'll be surprised how quickly this works. Like literally after about 5-10 minutes, you'll almost immediately feel the benefits of having bias lighting. Seeing is believing, and I got just the thing. This image right here explains how our eyes work when there is an extra lighting source that's behind, or if there is no lighting source at all. The horizontal gray line in the middle is the same color, but when you put a darker image behind it, you don't see it as well as the lighter side. Your eyes work exactly the same way when you're watching TV in a dark room. Bias lighting is a great addition for any setup, and it looks great. If you guys enjoyed the content, or if you got anything useful out of it, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make a video every week, and your like or subscribe would be supporting my small business. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.